the evolving of world of HR analysis and application. So the objectives, students will demonstrate an understanding of the evolution of HR from the personal management to the human capital management. So the role of the technology in HR and strategic importance of HR in the modern organizations, they will also apply this knowledge to a real world scenario. So the task, you are an HR consultant hired by a small but growing company. Choose a specific type of a company, a tech startup or the startup, a local restaurant chain, a small manufacturing business. So this company is currently operating with a very basic traditional HR setup, and they recognize the need to modernize their HR function to support their growth and achieve their business goals. So your task is to write a comprehensive report for the company outlining the evolution of HR, the benefits of the modern HR practices and the technologies, and specific recommendations for how the company can improve its HR function. So your report should include the following. Okay. So the number one, introduction. Briefly introduce the concept of HR and its importance in organizations. So explain the purpose of your report. Number two, the evolution of HR. So describe the evolution of HR from traditional personnel management to the modern human capital management. Highlight the key differences between these approaches, focusing on the shift from administrative tasks to strategic workforce management. Use examples to illustrate these differences. So, number three, the role of a technology in HR. So, this discuss the impact of technology on HR functions. Explain the benefits of using HRIS or the Human Resource Information, the ATS, the LMS, and other HR technologies. Provide specific examples of how these technologies can improve efficiency, accuracy, and decision making. So, number four is strategic HR and its importance. Explain the strategic role of HR in the modern organizations. How can HR contribute to achieving the business goals? So, discuss the importance of aligning the HR strategies with the organization's objectives. Then, provide example. So, recommendations for the company based on your research and understanding of the modern HR practices. Provide specific and actionable recommendations for how the chosen company can improve its HR function. This recommendation should address number one, the structure. What a kind of the HR structure would be most appropriate for the company size and the type of the business, like the tradition, modern, or the hybrid. Justify your recommendations. And then next is the technology. What the HR technologies would you recommend the company implement? Explain why and how these technologies would benefit the company and their practices. What specific HR practices should the company adopt or improve, like the recruitment, performance management, training, and the development, or the employee engagement. So, you need to explain how these practices will support the company's growth and goals. So, the conclusion, summarize your key findings and reiterate the importance of the modernizing the HR function for the company's success. So, we have the last one, the references, of course. Cite all the sources used in the APA or the MLA format. Okay, that's all. Bye.